Okay, I am recording this because you can Photoshop things, and I know you can change stuff in cameras too, but this is live. So this is one of my domains. I have about 500 or so, and there's the revenue. It says that it made yesterday. This is on GoDaddy. So there's GoDaddy. I don't have them all in here, but I put several of them in there just because I wanted to see how much money I can make off of the ads or advertisements from parking them here on GoDaddy's domain parking. So I'm really hoping that they follow up with what they're supposed to be doing, because this is one day of that website. So this is a fully up website that I just put up. I think it's hosted at Wix.com. And I made that's where the website's at, but the hosting's here with me at YPNwebsites.com. So that's Y as in yes, P as in Paul, N as in Nancy, YPNwebsites.com. So anyways, I highly suggest this is something that everybody should do, because look at that revenue, and this is real. Okay, here's my clock. Oh, it's not there. Where the heck is that? Oh, here it is. You can look at the date, Wednesday, June 29th, 2016. So this is real, folks. This is real. Alrighty, thanks. Check out my website, www.ypn.us, and I will show you exactly step by step how to do this, where you can make some money just like this. Thank you.